Athletes in the country have a chance at maximizing their education and employment opportunities. This is after an initiative was taken up by the National Olympics Committee of Kenya to sensitize them on the need of a sustainable future. The workshop held in Nairobi brought together various sports personalities from a number of disciplines in the country in an International Olympic Committee and the ADECCO Group program delivered in a number of countries internationally.
This we call athletes transitional workshop, because we need most of our athletes, because when they are about or they are actually retiring, they realize that they have got so much. This is why we are organizing this thing.
Knowledge is not too late. Yeah, in fact, this project is also good for those who did not make it to come and realize, you know what, there is something I can learn from this.
You know, we talk about transition and you finish sport and you always think that you have it all figured out, and we had cases of athletes, cases in Kenya where athletes who've been performing at a high level, and then after that they are nowhere to be seen, or they encounter different situations. Some of them have been successful, but I mean, we pick out from those that didn't go well for them.
Athletes are really happy with this program because they feel this is essential and this is what they need to hear, that an athletic career is just a short time of their life. They're great champions, and what we want is for them to transition into great careers.